Outside, there are a lot of courses which are available, which are even free. You can do courses offered by Google. They are really comprehensive and they are free. They are Facebook Blueprint. Again, some are free, some are paid. So definitely a great way to start. And at Basecamp also, we have something as a learning pathway. This is completely free. Anybody can go to basecampdigital.co and go to learning pathway and can just enroll and register with their email ID, and they will get access to a complete ecosystem of digital marketing. And why I would say, and a lot of our students love that, the reason is because we have simplified it for them. We have made it from a module perspective, like overall about digital, introduction about digital, SEO, SCM, then social media, programmatic, content marketing. So what is the learning pathway is basically, it's not the content we have created, but we have curated that content. So there are people, so XYZ. So there is some great article by Neil Patel on SEO. So we have taken that article, put it out there and given source to Neil Patel. If there are some great videos by Neil Patel, we have given a YouTube links and it's directly played over there of Neil Patel. So those are the way we have identified all the great content out there and put it in a systematic way so someone can easily start their course from there. Apart from that, if somebody wants to do an advanced course or in person, so not the learning pathway, but the paid one. So at Basecamp Digital, we also have a paid course where I have recorded all the course. And what I've done in those courses, all the learnings I have got from last 15 years, I have incorporated that same learning over there. So, and the way this course was created is even a person who's a non-media person, a layman who has no relation with media at all, if that person does the course, I can assure you that the kind of learning that person will get from doing our paid course is going to be so good that they will be able to set up something in digital marketing or start the career in digital marketing. So we actually thought from that perspective that what if you want to teach digital marketing to completely a non-media person? And that is how we have developed that course. And the same course has been taken by thousands of students. I have trained various professional CXOs on a similar line. So all the learning which I've got during my training through corporates and colleges and to students and all, we have incorporated all those in our course. So you should definitely go and check out basecampdigital.co.